Hello, Part 14, deals with adding badges. We create a few layouts to do this. We created a router page called View Badges. Inside it we load a parent layout called vBadges. This has 2 rows each having 3 columns each. In matrix 1.1, we load the increase button, in matrix 1.2 we load the decrease button, and in matrix 1.3 we load the badge with an icon. On the next row, we load an avatar with a status badge on the right. When the increase button is clicked, the counter on the badge should increase. Also, when the decrease button is clicked, the badge counter should decrease. The badge color should be red when the counter is less than 0. The badge icon is composed on a vBadge element and a vIcon element. We set some default properties for the badge, like color, content, and overlap. The badge color and content will change at runtime, so we set the initial states. For the icon, we set the icon size and icon name. For the avatar with a status badge, we have an avatar inside a badge, that also having an image inside it. We set some properties for the badge like bordered, dot, offsets, etc. Inside the badge, we added an avatar with a size of 40. Inside the avatar, we added a vimage and specified its source URL. We increase the badge value via a button click, and also are able to decrease it. The badge color changes as soon as we reach 0 or less. Part 14 is done.